Ever feel like algebra takes way too long? What if I told you there are secret tricks that can make solving equations 10 times faster? These are the shortcuts your teacher never showed you, and today I am revealing them all. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be solving algebra problems instantly. Let's get started. But a lot of students don't understand how to cross multiply. So let me tell you something about the cross multiplying. Cross multiplying, cross means you're crossing to the other side of the equal sign, and then you get multiplied. Now, the secret is if you're crossing the equal sign, if you're on top, you go to the bottom. So you get multiplied into the bottom when you cross the equal sign. If you're on the bottom and you cross the equal sign, you have to get multiplied to the top. So how does that work? Let's go to the first question. And trust me, if you learn how to do this, lots of things become easier in math. So here, this 8, it's on top because all of this is on top of 1. So if this 8 crosses, then it has to cross and go to the bottom. And so cross multiply it to the bottom. Then you're isolating the x already, and you have 2. 8 times 3 is 24. And then, of course, you need to simplify this by reducing, and that gives you 1/12. That's how easy it is. Now, let's go to the next one. Cross multiplying. So the 4 we needed to cross because we want to isolate the x. So the 4, when it crosses, it's on the bottom, it goes to the top. So what's going to do, it's going to cross to the top because that's on top of 1. 5 is on top of 1, and it gets multiplied. So therefore, x equals 20 because 4 times 5 is 20. Now, how about here? Here, you have the 2/3 with the x, and we want to isolate the x. So both of these have to cross. So therefore, x is isolated now. 3 gets crosses and goes to the top. 3 times 1 is 3. And 2 crosses goes to the 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. Now, my last question, can we cross multiply right away? No, you can't. Change this to improper fraction first, and then you could cross multiply. So changing to improper fraction, you go 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So this gives you 3/2 equals 2x. Now, can we cross multiply when the x is on the right-hand side of the equal sign? Of course, you could do that. So now the 2 is on top because everything is on top of 1. So if it crosses, it goes to the bottom. So it's going to go right there. It's multiplied, of course, cross multiply. So you got to get 3/4 equals x. Now that you know these algebra hacks, math should feel way easier. Which trick surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who struggles with algebra. And don't forget to subscribe for more math tricks, because why work harder when you can work smarter? See you in the next one.